Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a TNT player launcher like this one. So you're going to need 12 blocks of any kind, 15 redstone dust, 8 TNT as a minimum, 1 oak button, 1 water bucket and 1 slab of any kind. So you need to first build a structure like this with all the stone. So it's got to have a 3x3 center area like this. Then we need to put redstone dust all around the edges, apart from in one spot, which is where we're going to place our oak button. Now we need to place our slab directly in the middle, and then click the water bucket onto the slab, which will make it flow out like that. Now we can place our minimum of 8 TNT around the edges. You're going to need to refill this with more if you want to have more attempts. Well, you want to use it more. So then you just hit the button, go to the edges, and then bang. If you're in survival, you're definitely going to die, but in creative, you'll go flying in the air. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.